ninth chapter differentiation. In this chapter belongs to mathematics 1b part 12. Last part completed impounded 2-mark problems by using some standard differentiation formulas. Today class discuss impounded formulas, derivative of trigonometric functions and derivative of hyperbolic trigonometric functions. Next, derivative of inverse trigonometric function. After that, derivatives of inverse hyperbolic trigonometric function. Formulas explained in today's class. These formulas are very important, very useful. You can do that problems. First, trigonometric functions derivative. How many trigonometric functions is there? Trigonometric functions are 6. Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. What is the derivative of that functions? Today explain. First formula is d by dx of sin x. What is the meaning of d by dx of sin x? D by dx is the derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Next formula is derivative of cos x. Nothing but d by dx of cos x. D by dx of cos x value is minus sin x. Next, derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x. What is the derivative of tan x? Tan x derivative is secant scale x. What is the derivative of tan x? Tan x derivative is secant scale x. Next one, derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant scale x. What is the derivative of cot x? Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant scale x. Next, derivative of secant x. What is the derivative of secant x? Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. What is the derivative of secant x? Secant x into tan x. After that, derivative of cosecant x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Minus cosecant x into cot x. These 6 formulas are derivatives of the trigonometric functions. First formula, derivative of sin x is cos x. Next formula, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. In this formula, you can identify easily. First letter C, cos, cot, cosecant. First letter C, trigonometric functions. Derivative having negative. Understood or not? C, negative. Here cot, negative. And cosecant, negative. This way you can identify and you can by hand in these formulas. These formulas are trigonometric functions. After that, inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric functions derivative. What is the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions? In this inverse trigonometric functions, how many inverse trigonometric functions is there? Inverse trigonometric functions are 6. First one is derivative of sine inverse x. Derivative of sine inverse x. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, derivative of cos inverse x, next to inverse trigonometry, cos inverse x. Cos inverse x derivative is very easy. You get the sin inverse x derivative. That derivative you can write minus. Put minus. This term multiplied with the minus. That is the derivative of cos inverse x. What is the derivative of cos inverse x? Minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. After that, derivative of d by dx of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, derivative of cot inverse x. Derivative of cot inverse x. Cot inverse x derivative is cot inverse x derivative is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Just to tan inverse x derivative, you can multiply the minus, you get minus 1 by 1 plus x square is the cot inverse x derivative. After that, secant inverse x. What is the derivative of secant inverse x? Secant inverse x derivative is secant inverse x derivative is 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1. 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1. That is the derivative of secant inverse x. After that, derivative of cosecant inverse x. Derivative of cosecant inverse x is derivative of cosecant inverse x is minus 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1. Once again explain to students. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of secant inverse x is 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1. Derivative of cosecant x inverse x is minus 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1. You can observe that this formulas sin inverse x derivative you can write multiply with the minus, you get cos inverse x. Tan inverse x derivative you can multiply with the minus, you get cot inverse x derivative. Secant inverse x derivative you can multiply with the minus, you get cosecant inverse x derivative. This is the trigonometric function derivatives. These are the inverse trigonometric function derivatives. Derivative of hyperbolic functions. In this hyperbolic function also be 6 ratios is there. One is derivative of sin hx. Derivative of sin hx. Derivative of sin hx is cos hx. Derivative of sin hx is cos hx. Next formula is derivative of cos hx. Derivative of cos hx is sin hx. Derivative of cos hx is sin hx. After that, derivative of tan hx. Derivative of tan hx. Derivative of tan hx is secant h square x. Secant h square x. Similarly, derivative of cot hx. Derivative of cot hx is equal to minus cosecant h square x. Derivative of cot hx equal to what here? Minus cosecant h square x. Similarly, derivative of secant hx. Say derivative of secant hx is minus secant hx into tan hx. Minus secant hx into tan hx. Similarly, last formula is derivative of cosecant hx. Derivative of cosecant hx is minus cosecant hx into cot hx. Observe the students, these formulas are similar to trigonometric function derivative formulas, but here h is there. H nothing but hyperbolic. In these formulas, first 3 positive, next 3 negative. Sin, cos, tan. This 3 hyperbolic function derivative is positive, remaining 3 cot, secant, cosecant having negative. This is a hyperbolic function derivatives. After that, inverse hyperbolic functions. Inverse hyperbolic trigonometric functions. Inverse hyperbolic trigonometric functions. In this hyperbolic trigonometric functions also be 6 is there. What is the first one? Derivative of sin h inverse x. Derivative of sin h inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of sin h inverse x? Derivative of sin h inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Similarly, derivative of cos h inverse x. Derivative of cos h inverse x is 1 by square root of x square minus 1. What is the derivative of cos h inverse x? Derivative of cos h inverse x is 1 by square root of x square minus 1. Next, derivative of tan h inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan h inverse x is what here? 1 by 1 minus x square. Similarly, derivative of cot h inverse x also be equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Here derivative of tan h inverse x and the derivative of cot h inverse x both are equal values. That is 1 by 1 minus x square, 1 by 1 minus x square. Next one is derivative of secant h inverse x. Derivative of secant h inverse x is equal to minus 1 by modulus of x into square root of 1 minus x square. What is the derivative of secant h inverse x? Derivative of secant h inverse x is minus 1 by mod x into square root of 1 minus x square. Next, derivative of cosecant h inverse x. Derivative of cosecant h inverse x. Cosecant h inverse x derivative is what? Minus 1 by mod x into square root of 1 plus x square. Minus 1 by mod x into square root of 1 plus x square. This is the derivative of cosecant h inverse x. These 6 formulas are inverse hyperbolic function derivatives. This total trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, hyperbolic, inverse hyperbolic, these all formulas you can by headed, you can read and write perfectly. You get the easily understood next exercise, exercise 6b. Okay, student, understood or not? This is the important formulas of the trigonometric and hyperbolic functions.